da ni treba cel kaučin, da ne vsega vsake
So, welcome to the homage section of this year FeKK Festival, where we present the cult classic Dušan Makavejev, who also died this year, and we will screen 7 of his movies. 4 of these movies will be presented on a 35mm copy, and this was a huge stuff to bring it here. They are from Ljubljana, from Zagreb, Sarajevo, Dunaj, and Belgrade. Thanks. So these short movies of Dušan Makavejev, they represent his earlier stage, which was that was based on amateur film work mostly, and where the cinema club of Belgrade played an important role, and they of course represent in the contrast of the ideological representation of a person as a screw in this huge ideological edifice. Makavejev tells us or shows us the person in his individuality, in the outburst of some detail, where the person's subjectivity comes into the main focus. So enjoy the screening, and for the translation there is Mateusz here. Thank you.